Well, this is a day for working in the garden. For me, it's Sunday morning, it's quiet, and although I'm renting here, I am so excited to be able to have permission to clean up gardens. It makes me feel happy and opportunity for nurturing the garden, but also myself. Do you guys feel that way sometimes where you have things that you do that are quote unquote chores, but ultimately they feel nurturing to yourself as well? And gardening certainly is that way. As I get to listen to the sound of the birds and feel the breeze, and it's still, of course, as I said, on a Sunday morning, super quiet. And it made me pause and think about the metaphor of new life and cutting away the old to make way for the plants who need to absorb the energy of the summer, making best use of what remains of July and August in order to fulfill strength and vision for their blossoms next next summer. So just much in the same way that gardening provides all kinds of metaphors. Today I'm thinking about the metaphor of cutting away the old, being grateful for the old, and then allowing the plant to rest, much like we also need time to rest and progress our growth, whether that's internally or energetically, being grounded and connected to the planet and the earth in order to fulfill dreams and wishes and aspirations for the next season. Do any of you feel that way, that this is a time of earned rest and just continued grounding, nurturing as you prepare for the next year's growth?